All right, back again, 2 packs again today. 1990 Hoops, 1990 Skybox. Let's get going. All right, Vernon Maxwell. Gotta love these art cards. Pooh Richardson, Jeff Martin rookie, Larry Drew. Oh, there it is. Look at there. There's the Jordan. Oh, I love this one. That's a great pull today, guys. Stuart Gray, Scott Hastings, Chuck Person. Oh, and the bird. That's 2 for 2 today. Mookie Blaylock rookie. Chris Morris, Tim McCormick. Oh, Dan Barrows rookie. And the Sean Kemp rookie. My gosh, what a pack that was. Oh, that's a fun start. All right, let's see what we can get out of here. Let's see if we can see another Jordan today. Yeah. Okay, come on. All right. Let's see how we're doing, Skybox. All right, we got Michael Adams, Eric Floyd, Mark Jackson, Chuck Person, Van Coleman, Rod Higgins, Randy Brewer, Randy Allen, Quentin Daly, Craig Hodges, Kevin Edwards, Wayne Rollins, all right, Ricky Pierce, John Williams, Kevin Gamble, Benoit Benjamin. All right, we got a Jordan today. Pull a Jordan, a couple other good cards. Great start today. What do you think?
Why are you